Hello and good afternoon, बच्चों. Today is the last class of this chapter, and sometime it's happened that generally we had solved the question where the balance sheet is given, and with the help of balance sheet, we have to prepare the realization account, partners capital, and cash and bank partners loan account. We had solved one question also where we learned that how to pass the journal entry with the help of balance sheet given. Sometimes it's happened that in the question balance sheet is not given. So first we have to prepare the balance sheet, then we have to follow the content. So in this particular chapter, in this particular class, one question I have where the balance sheet is not given. So we will learn how to open the balance sheet. And once we open the balance sheet, then what else is there that you have to follow in this question? That is your homework. And once I prepare the balance sheet, you have to prepare the realization account, partners capital, and all the necessary account, cash and bank. So without any delay, let's start how to learn how to prepare the balance sheet. So as you see the question, ABC started business on 1st April 2017, sharing profit in the ratio 3:1. The combined capital was 96,000, which was shared in profit sharing ratio. So bacha, in this the capital of ABC is not given. Instead of that, combined capital 96. So 96 will be distributed in the ratio 3:1, and that is the capital of ABC. They are entitled to 10% per annum interest on capital. Still, interest on capital is not charged. Profit for the year ending 31st March 2018 before allowing interest on capital were 39,600. They withdraw 10,000, 7,500 and 6,000 respectively during the year. So bacha, drawing is there, but interest on drawing date is not given. So first what we have to find out in this particular question, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation. So chalo ji, prepare profit and loss appropriation. So bacha, profit is 39,600. So it will be by profit and loss account 39,600. Okay, this is the first thing. Interest on capital. So to interest on capital. Ab dekho, one thing you can do here, you have a choice that instead of 96 you divide in 3:1, find out the capital, and then you find out the interest. What we can do here in this particular question, and for this particular question I'm telling you trick. Either way you can follow the traditional trick that 96,000 first you divide in the ratio 3:1. 3. So it will be 16 3 ja 48,000, and after that 16 2 ja 32,000, and then 16,000. And then we find out 10% interest on capital, which will be for A, B and C 4,800, 3,200 or 1,600, and total will be how much? 48, 32 and 1,600 will be, just a minute, Haji, it will be 9,600. Any other appropriation which is yet to be adjusted? No. So we just find out 39,600. 39,600. The profit will come how much bacha? The profit will come 30,000. To profit transfer to A, B and C. So 30,000 in the ratio 3:1, it will be 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. Okay, 15, 10 and 5. This is the first thing what we prepare, the profit and loss appropriation. Now we have one more option that we can prepare the partners capital. Okay, we can prepare the partners capital, and whatever the balance is there, with that we will transfer the balance. Okay, so chalo ji, without any delay we prepare the partners capital, a very short partners capital also. So A, B, C. A, B and C. A, B, C, A, B, C. Particular, particular. So as we have the balance, which are first we will transfer the balance, and that is what? By balance BD. It is how much? It is already we calculated 48, 32 and 16,000. We calculated the capital 48, 32 and 16,000. So 48,000, 32,000 and 16,000. Okay, 48, 32 and 16,000. After that, we have a profit in PL appropriation. So by profit and loss appropriation, how much? 15, 10 and 5,000. We have interest on capital also. So by interest on capital, it will be 4,800, 3,200 and 1,600. Any other thing? Any other thing is not. But drawing is there. So two drawing. How much? How much, bacha? 10,000 from A, 7,500 from B and 6,000 from C. Now we will find out the total of all that. To find out the total of all that, 4815 plus 4,800, 48,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,800 minus 10,000. So this side total will be coming how much, bacha? 67,800. This side total is coming how much, bacha? 45,200. And this side total is coming how much, bacha? 22,600. So 67,800, 95,200 and 22,600. Deduct that, and whatever the balance is there, that will be to balance CD. Always remember, this is not the capital what we are making final. We are finding out the capital what we will transfer in the balance sheet. That's why we open two balance sheet. But once we prepare the balance sheet, and after that when we are going to open the realization account and then partners capital, final partners capital, there we will not transfer the balance sheet, we will make the payment. So two balance sheet, how much it will be? It will be 57,800, 37,700 and 16,600. Now everything is done. We can now prepare the balance sheet. So just a minute. Okay, now we will prepare the balance sheet, and after that your work will start. So balance sheet, liability and assets, and this is the closing balance sheet. So this balance sheet date is 31st March 2018. Okay, now in the liability side, bacha, what things are there we have to find out in the question. So they decided to dissolve the firm on 31st March 2018. Their creditors as on the date 15,000. So creditors 50,000. In addition, A had given a loan 5,000 to firm. So A's loan 5,000. There were liability amounting 12,000 not shown in the book. Not shown in the book, bacha. So that is what? That is a liability. Acha. See this line. There were a liability amounting 12,000 not shown in the book. So bacha, the liability is not there in the book, so it will not record in the balance sheet. But when we make the realization, we will not close that liability, but we will make the payment of that liability to bank 12,000 in realization account. So here it will be creditors, which is already there in the book, A's loan, which is already there in the book, okay, and capital we have. So now we have the capital of A, B and C. And capital of A, B, C is how much, bacha? That you can see it is 57,800, 37,700, 16,600, and total you find out how. So total of 57,800, 37,700, 16,600 is coming how much? 1,12,100. Now you find out the total of all liability side, and which will be coming how much, bacha? So 1,12,100 plus 55,000. It is coming 1,67,100. Once you go for the question, in the question, bacha, assets information is not given. The information is given that assets realized at 1,20,000. But what was the assets? What was the total assets which realized is not given. So always remember, the balance sheet is act on a principle of assets is equal to liability plus capital. So when liability plus capital is 1,67,100, so assets will be also 1,67,100. And here we will write down sundry assets balancing figure. How much? 1,67,100. Total 1,67,100. 1,67,100, 1,67,100. So bacha, when we prepare the balance sheet and balance sheet is not matched after transferring everything, if it is not matched in the asset side, it will be sundry assets. And if it is not matched in the liability side and capital is not given, so that balancing figure will be capital. That already we studied in class 11 in complete record. Balancing figure in the liability side was act as a capital. So here balancing figure in the asset side will be known as sundry assets, 1,67,100. Now you have balance sheet and you can simple open realization. That is your work. I will not going to do that. That is your work. Transfer creditors, transfer A's loan, transfer sundry assets. First step over. Now assets realized at 1,20,000. Creditors of 40,000 were taken over by A. What to do? You know, for 36,000. Balance of the creditors were paid at a discount of 5%. Okay. A's loan information is not given. So when A's loan information is not given, what to do? That you find out. Okay. So A's loan will be, A's loan information is not given. Chalo, I am giving the hint. A's loan is a partner's loan, so it will not transfer in the realization. It will be paid separately. So bacha, you prepare the realization account, partner's capital account, and cash and bank and A's loan. 4 account you prepare from this one. That is your homework. So we learn whenever in the balance sheet is not given, whenever the balance sheet is not given, then we have to prepare the balance sheet. Achha, why we prepare the partner's capital in this particular question? So when you see the question, in the question closing capital on 31st March 2018 is not given. Opening capital is given. So we have to find out the closing capital on the date. And how we can find out the closing capital? Simple bacha. If any appropriations are there, transfer it. If any withdrawal is there, deduct it. And whatever the balance will be there, that will be closing capital. So once you have closing capital, you transfer each and everything in the balance sheet. Find out difference is coming in the asset side, because assets is nothing have. This principle is assets is equal to liability plus capital. Liability plus capital total is 1,67,100. So assets will be equal to that. So that's why sundry assets 1,67,100. With the help of balance sheet, with the help of given information, you prepared the realization account. So please take a screenshot of this. Please take a screenshot of this question and do the practice. Okay. Prepare balance sheet, prepare partner's capital and all. So now in the series we will go to solve one particular question where we have to pass the journal entry. That is also a very good question. Question of last year 2019, last year. So how we can solve that? Chalo ji, let's learn. So in the previous question, balance sheet is not given. We learn how to prepare the balance sheet, and after that everything is quite similar. That's why I had given the homework. Now this question, please read the question very carefully. First, it is a CBSE 2019 question of MP. Ravi, Shankar and Madhur were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 7 to 1. What bacha ratio? 7 to 1. 7 to 1. Okay. On 31st March 2019, the firm dissolved after transferring sundry assets other than cash in hand and cash bank and third-party liability in the realization account. The following transaction took place. Debtors amounting 1,40,000 were handed over to the debt collecting agency which charged 5% commission. The remaining debtors were 47,000, out of which debtors of 17,000 could not be recovered because the same become insolvent. Creditors amounting 5,000 were paid off 3,500 in full settlement of their claim, and the balance creditors were handed over the stock of 90,000 in full settlement of their claim 95,000. A bills receivable of 2,000 discounted with the bank was dishonored by its acceptor, and the same had to be made by the firm. Profit on realization 6,000. So, bacha, we have to pass and we have to learn all the 4 transactions. Okay. So this is also a way of question which can become in the board examination. So chalo ji dekhte hain. So bacha, first, debtor amounting 1,40,000 were handed over to debt collecting agency. Chalo ji, first do the calculation. The total debtors is how much bacha? 1,40,000. Total debtors is 1,40,000. Okay. 5% is commission. 5% is the commission. So 1,400 into 5 is equal to 7,000. 1,400 into 5 is equal to 7,000. So bacha, debt collector agency had given how much? 1,33,000. समझना बच्चा, 1,40,000 के debtors we had given to debt collecting agency at 5% commission. So 1,40,000 at the rate of 5 by 100 is coming how much बच्चा? 7,000 is the commission. वो कट गया, कितना मिला अपने को? 1,33,000. अच्छा, before passing the entry, I am clarifying this you that everything is, all the assets and liabilities are already closed in the realization. We don't need to pass the closing entry. We just have to pass the realizing entry. So 1,33,000. अच्छा, other debtors is 47,000. Other debtors is 47,000. Out of 47,000 bacha, 17,000 not paid. So how much we receive from this segment? 30,000. So total debtors we receive 133 plus 30 is equal to 1,63,000. 1,63,000. Okay bacha, just a minute. 1,63,000. Now what thing is coming in the business? Cash. So we will write down bank account debit. Total is coming 1,63,000, and as we know that debtors is close. अच्छा, कभी कंफ्यूजन हो रियलाइजेशन में तो समझ लेना, पहले समझो कि वहां पे नॉर्मल की एंट्री होनी चाहिए, और जब समझो कि नॉर्मल ये होना चाहिए उसको हटा के वर्ड रियलाइजेशन. तो बच्चा, डेटर्स पेड द अमाउंट, तो क्या होना चाहिए? नॉर्मल एंट्री सोचो दिमाग में कि डेबिट वर्ड्स कम इन बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू डेटर्स अकाउंट. भाई डेटर्स अकाउंट क्यों? बिकॉज डेटर्स आर गिविंग द मनी, तो डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. तो भाई मनी इज कमिंग इन द बिजनेस, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 1,63,000. हु इज गिविंग द मनी? Debtors is giving money. So debit what's coming, credit what's goes out to two debtors account. But we already closed the debtors, so at the place of debtors we write down which bacha, where we close the debtors? In realization account 1,63,000. बात समझ में आई? अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो यू जस्ट पास द नॉर्मल एंट्री इन योर माइंड, and after that whatever the assets and liabilities are there, and if it is closed in the realization, remove the word and pass the realization. So this is the first entry. 140, 7,000 commission deducted, 133 received from the collection agency. 47, 17,000 not recovered, 30,000 total recovered. So total 133 plus 30 is equal to 1,63,000. Bank account debit 163 to realization 1,63,000. Second, creditors amounting to 5,000 were paid 3,500 in full settlement of their claim. ठीक है भाई, तो बच्चा 5,000 creditors we are paying how much बच्चा 3,500 one payment. And second, balance creditors were handed over stock of 90,000 in full settlement of their account. अब बच्चा here I told you कि if any liability is fully settled by taking any assets, neither we pass the entry for liability, now we pass the entry for assets. So we pass just entry for 3,500. Now here अगर कंफ्यूजन है तो पहले नॉर्मल एंट्री देख लो. We are paying to creditors. Who is receiving the money? Creditors account debit. What thing is going out from our business? Cash. So to bank account. अच्छा, why we are using the bank word instead of cash? So it is very simple बच्चा. In realization generally we are using the bank word. So creditors account debit to bank account 3,500. It is a normal entry when we are making the payment, but we close the creditors in the realization. So at the place of creditors we open realization account debit to bank account 3,500. Okay. So whenever you have the confusion, first you pass the normal entry in the rough book, and after that in the fair where you have to write down final entry, remove that word and write down the realization. अब देखो जी third one. But before third one, just have a look on all the transactions of these two transactions. Have a 2 minutes and find out if any problem is there. Okay, so now we proceed for the third transaction. अब देखो बच्चा, third transaction is what? Third transaction is a bill receivable 2,000 discounted with the bank was dishonored by its acceptor, and the same had to be met by the firm. So if you remember that whenever the bill get dishonored, ठीक है, पहले थोड़ा सा आपको क्लास 11th में ले चलते हैं क्योंकि इंट्री बता देंगे तो इट्स ओके, बट यू लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट, यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट हाउ इट कैन कम. सो बच्चा देखो, whenever we discount the bill, तो क्या एंट्री पास करते थे भाई? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट discount. If you remember the class 11th bill of exchange chapter, then only this entry will understand. And I don't have that much time that I will teach you class 11th for this particular entry. So if you understand this entry, if you remember the chapter, then it's okay. You see this bank account debit. Suppose 5,000 की बिल थी भाई और उसको you had discounted at 4,900. So 4,900 in bank account debit, 100 rupees in discount to bill receivable account, total is 5,000. But bacha, and this bill is from X. But when bill get dishonored, then we have to again make debit. We have to again make debtors X as a future receipt. So X debit. And we are making the payment to bank If noting charge is there, to add by noting charge. Like if noting charge is not there, to simple 5,000 and 5,000. So this is the entry. This is the entry how we pass on the time of dishonor. Sorry, on the time of dishonor. This is the entry of discounting and this is the entry of dishonor. Same thing is there in the transaction number 3. A bill receivable 2,000 discounted with the bank was dishonored by its acceptor and the same had to be met by the firm. Firm paid the amount. So bachcha, when firm paid the amount to bank account 2,000 rupees, and we will make the debit debtors, but at the place of debtors, because already all debtors are closed, so at the place of debtors we open the which account? Realization. Realization account debit to bank 2,000 and 2,000. And the last entry. And the last entry. ये कहाँ क्या गया भाई? Last entry, as you can see, profit on realization amounted to 6,000. As we know that whenever the profit will be there, that will be distributed between partners. Partners are A, B and C. And their ratio was 7:2:1. So profit is 6,000 rupees. So bacha, we will distribute that profit. Realization account debit 6,000. Why realization is debit? It is very simple bacha. It is a profit. Profit is always the credit balance. And when we distribute something, when we close something, that credit will be again closed and it will become debit. So realization account debit for profit closing account 6,000 and will be transferred to partners capital, to A's capital account, to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. A's capital, B's capital and C's capital. How much? So it will be distributed 6,000 in the ratio 7:1. Distributed 7 to 9, 1, 10, 10, 10, 7, 6, 4,200, and after that 1,200, and after that 600. This is the fourth entry. So bacha, as you can see that we have the entries of all the 4 transactions. Now what thing is important when we are passing the journal entry? What thing is important? The thing which is very important when we are passing the journal entry is, number 1, when we are closing the accounts, when we are closing the assets, when we are closing the liability, then it will be with the assets name. Like suppose we are closing debtors. So debtors is debit. Debtors is debit. And when we close, it will be debit to credit. And where we close? In the realization account. So what entry on the time of closing will be? Realization account debit to debtors account. Okay. Like suppose creditors are there. We are closing the creditors. Creditors is liability. And when liability close, it will be debit. So creditors account debit, and where we close? In realization account. So bacha, always remember, once we close the assets and liability, after closing, whatever the payment entry is there, whatever the realizing entries is there, if anything is there and we find out, we have to pass the payment or realization entry. So at the place of assets and liability name, what is already closed in the realization account. अब general reserve is also liability, but general reserve distribution will be simple. General reserve account debit to all partners, all capital. There we will not use the realization word because general reserve liability is not closed in the realization account. So I am talking about the liabilities and assets which is already closed in the realization account. Whenever we realize, whenever we pay, at the name of the liability or assets, we will use the word realization account. We will use the word realization account. Okay, getting my point? Chalo ji. So bacha, this much is from the dissolution chapter. You please go and prepare all the dissolution concept, solve the dissolution question from the book, and if any problem is there, then tell me. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Next chapter, what we are going to start is a very normal chapter, NPO, non-profit organization. Okay, thank you.